So, good morning, students. How are you? So, today we are discussing parts of plants. Okay. So, in previous class we studied about what parts of plant. Okay. So, see this picture. Okay. So, it is earth. Okay. It is earth's surface. So, see that the tree is below the earth's surface and it has roots. Okay. And this is known as what? Root system. Okay. So, root system. In previous classes, we seen root system. Okay. So, roots provide support to plants. Okay. And they also provide nutrients and mineral and water to complete plants. Okay. So, today we are studying about what? Shoot system. Okay. So, this is completely known as what? Shoot system. This is completely known as what? Shoot system. Okay. So above the part, okay, above the part of plants, okay, this consists of stem, bud, internode, node, fruit, leaf, flower. Okay. So this complete part is known as shoot system. Okay. And number of branches of plants also. Okay. So this complete portion is known as what? Shoot system. So stem, there is what? So this is what? Node. Okay. Node. So from which the node there is what? The leaves are arises. Okay. अभी node से क्या होता है कि यहाँ से leaves जो है plants के वो क्या होते हैं? स्टार्ट होते हैं. ठीक है. नहीं यहाँ से plants के leaves start होते हैं and that place is known as what? Node. Okay. So this is known as node. So distance between the two nodes, okay, this is one node and this is what? Another node. Okay. So distance between these two nodes is known as what? Internode. Okay. So this is what? Space, and this is known as what? Internode. Okay. So next, so this is node, the stem from the main axis. Okay. अब जो stem जो है, okay, this is what? Main axis of plant. Okay. Means this is what? Main axis of plants. The space between two nodes is known as internodes. Okay. And the stem from the main axis, which is known as stem. Okay. And it divided into, अभी क्या है यहाँ पे? Nodes and internodes. Okay. अलग अलग nodes के बीच में क्या है? Differentiated है. Okay. Divided है. So divided into, and from which the branches and leaves arises on the stem is called as the node. So from that branches of the plants and leaves of the plants will arises, and this is known as what? Node. And the distance between these two nodes is known as what? Internode. Okay. The portion of the stem between two nodes is called as the internode. The tip of the stem or branch bears an apical or terminal bud. Okay. So this is what? ये यहाँ पे क्या होगी? टर्मिनल या एपिकल. ओके. टर्मिनल मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगी कि उस प्लांट की जो हाइट है वो क्या हो जाएगी? स्टॉप, ग्रो होना स्टॉप हो जाएंगे. दैट इज नोन एज टर्मिनल स्टॉप. ओके. सॉरी, टर्मिनल बड. So apical bud help in lengthwise growth of the plants. Okay. Sorry, apical buds giving the lengthwise growth of the plant. Okay. So it leads to increase the height of plant body. So यहाँ से क्या होगा कि apical buds से क्या होगा कि plant की जो height है वो क्या होती जाएंगी? Increase होती जाएंगी. Okay. So these buds are called as the axillary bud. Okay. And this is also known as what? Axillary bud. Okay. And this is known as what? Axillary bud. Okay. So they grow into the branches. So there are numbers of branches are arises from the axillary bud. Okay. So when the stem है ना, जब जो stem जो होता है, it is what youngest. Okay, यानी जैसे क्या होता है कि एक सीड होती है, सीड से क्या होता है कि छोटे छोटे स्प्राउट्स निकलते हैं ना, और उससे क्या होता है कि पेड़ ग्रो होना स्टार्ट होता है, ठीक है. सो इन द यंगेस्ट टाइम है ना, जब पेड़ बहुत छोटे छोटे होते हैं, सो स्टेम इज ग्रीन इन कलर. ओके, बट ग्रीन इन कलर एंड इट आल्सो हेल्प इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. सो फोटोसिंथेसिस इट इज व्हाट फूड मेकिंग ऑफ plants. Okay, so they remain green and soft and tender. और बहुत ज्यादा क्या होते हैं, सॉफ्ट होते हैं, ठीक है. बट इन अ ट्री इट बिकम्स द हार्ड एंड वुडी. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट आप देखो वी कल्टिवेटिंग द स्मॉल प्लांट्स ऑफ नीम. ओके, नीम का पेड़ ले लेते हैं, है ना. अब नीम का पेड़ क्या होगा कि वो छोटा है तब तक कि उसकी जो स्टेम है ना, सो इट इज व्हाट स्टेम. अब वो क्या है कि स्टेम कैसी है कि बहुत ज्यादा टेंडर एंड सॉफ्ट है एंड ग्रीन इन कलर है. ओके, बट दिस विल गेट मैच्योर्ड डे बाय डे. ओके, अब क्या हो जाएगी, कंप्लीटली वुड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा स्टेम एंड इट्स टर्न टू कलर ब्राउन. ओके, अब उसका कलर भी क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा, ब्राउन इन कलर एंड इट्स प्रोड्यूसिंग द नंबर्स ऑफ ट्रंक्स. ओके, आर ब्रांचेस. So the trunk is the strongest part in tree. अब जो trunk जो होता है यहाँ पे, जो इसकी जो branches जो होती है, these are what strongest part of plant or tree. Okay, so और उसके बाद में क्या होता है कि after that it will turn to the brownish color. Okay, and it is hard. Okay, and woody in nature. So what stem providing support to plants. Okay, so now this is about what stem system. Okay, this is what root stem systems. It is what main axis of plant. Okay, and the nodes where the trunks, branches and leaves are arises, and this distance between the two nodes is known as what internode. Okay, and there is what apical buds. Okay, are axillary buds from which the height of plant is increasing. Okay, so this is about what completely shoot system. So now we are taking about what functions of shoot system. Okay, which are the functions of shoot system. Okay, so firstly stem bear the leaves. Okay, what, अब जो देखो यहाँ पे stem है ना, ये पेड़ हो गया, ये stem हो गया. So stem bearing what numbers of leaves. Okay, here is what stem bearing what leaves. Okay, so a stem bears the leaf, flower, and there is what flower and fruits. Okay, so stem bearing what flower, leaves and fruits. Okay, and it serves as a link between the root, the leaves and flower. अब देखो अब क्या हो रहा है कि जो पूरा suppose there is what absorption of water is takes place in roots. Okay, so this is the medium between. अब ये क्या कर रहा है, it is passage का काम कर रहा है कि यहाँ से जो water है, minerals है, nutrients है, ये सब flowers और birds, fruits तक के कौन reach करने का काम कर रहा है, stem. Okay, so it is a medium to providing food to the fruits and flowers. Okay, next the stem and its branches hold the leaves in such a manner that leaves are maximum possible. Okay, अब क्या कर रहे हैं कि ये जो stem जो है ये इस तरीके से उसमें ये कर रहा है कि सनलाइट एब्जॉर्ब हो सके. ठीक है, why the sunlight is necessary to making the food, and that process is known as what photosynthesis. Okay, so when young it is green and manufacture foods through the process. अब देखो ये जो लीव्स जो है और जो स्टेम जो है, जब क्या है कि बहुत ज्यादा टेंडर है ना, बहुत ज्यादा छोटा एज में है, so this is what making the foods, and that process is known as what photosynthesis. Okay, so it carries water and mineral salts from the roots to the leaves and flower. Okay, I told earlier. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो भी salt है, water है, minerals है, ये सब provide करने का काम कौन करता है? Stem करता है. अब किसको करेगा ये? It providing water, salts and mineral to the flower, leaves. Okay, it carry food manufactured in the leaves to roots and other parts of the plants. Okay, अब देखो ये यहाँ पे क्या है कि आपका leaves है. Okay, there is what? Leaves, and there is making of food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so these available food is providing to root with the help of stem. Okay, so stem क्या कर रहा है? यहाँ पे जो plant leaves में जो ये है ना, food जो prepare हुआ है, so prepared food is providing to roots and different parts of the plants. So these are the functions of root systems. Okay, so see that briefly. This is what root system. It providing supports to plants. Okay, holding the plants, and this is what stem. Okay, and stem, it is main axis of the plants. It is the main part. Okay, and जब ये बहुत छोटा होता है. Okay, so when the tender eggs are earlier, these are the tender and soft. Okay, and green in color. After the some time, it will turn to brownish color. Okay, and it becomes the hard and woody. Okay, so this is a node from which the branches and leaves are arises. Okay, branches and leaves are arises, and distance between the two different nodes, it is known as what? Internode. Okay, and there is what? Apical buds, which increasing the height of plant. Okay, which increase the height of plants, and trunk, it is the strongest part of tree. Okay, so the trunk is the strongest part in a tree. So stem providing support to plants, it providing prepared foods from leaves to the roots and different parts of plants. When these are in green in color, it help to process of photosynthesis. Okay, and from the roots or grounds, it providing salt and mineral to the different parts of plants. Okay, and different parts of the plants, and in this way these leaves are absorbing the maximum sunlight and prepare the food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so and it carries the manufactured food to the different parts of plants. Okay, so this is about what? Root system. Okay, so next, okay, so this is about completely what? Shoot system. Okay, so in the next classes we will be taking about what? Leaves. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.